going to have a look at the Comfier 10's EMS massager right out of the box and a closer look on how it works. This was sent to me by Comfier. A full disclosure statement will be at the end of this video. Also, I'll be able to show you how to put this together correctly, along with how this functions and how the pads apply to your body correctly. It's also important to fully charge your device before use. The battery status is in the upper right hand corner. Next, we're going to look at it right out of the box, and then we're going to look at all the functions and how it works, how to put it together, and how it's applied to your body. This 10's EMS massager is for muscle pain relief, recovery, and for relaxation. First, we'll look at the two channels, A and B, on the bottom. On the side is the timer button, the power button, and the intensity buttons. And on top is the recharging port. It includes a rechargeable 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. Now let's look at all the attachments and the accessories. They do have a cute logo. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. Here's the pad holder. This kit includes 8 electro pads with clear protective heel covers on each pad that you can reapply after use. Here's an example on how to use the pad holder. It includes the battery charger, has 2 lead wire type output electro cables for the pads, which are about 6 feet long. Conveniently, it has a touch pen for the touch screen. It has a pamphlet about the human anatomy and information about the human body in all different areas, with a manual for instructions. The recharging cable is about 31 inches long and uses a USB connection to connect to the battery charger. Now that you've fully charged it, it will stay charged for up to 20 hours. Now let's turn it on, which is the second button from the bottom. It has 24 programs, 20 levels of intensity, and 2 independent channels, A and B, which is controlled by the A and B button on the front of the device on the bottom. Now let's look at the timer button, which is located on the side, right at the bottom, with the letter T on the button. Press the button to adjust from 10 minutes all the way to 60 minutes. Now let's connect 2 electro pads to the electrode cable. Next, we'll connect the electrode cable to channel A. The B channel is for whenever you want to connect another set of pads. Here's where channel A is on the screen at the bottom. The channels A and B on the screen show the intensity from 0 to 20. This kit connects up to 8 electro pads. Now, me and my son are demonstrating on how to use this device on his shoulder, his back, and his knee. With touch pen, select shoulder. Make sure channel A is blinking. Then we can adjust the intensity on channel A by pressing this plus or minus button on the top right. And let's hear Glenn's reaction. Is that good? Is it strong?
Yeah.
That's not even halfway.
Yeah. I ain't trying to do halfway.
Here I'm demonstrating how to use the timer by pressing the T button on the lower right hand side, and I set it at 40 minutes. Next is the electro pads on the back in position. With the touch pen, I selected back on the screen and made sure A channel is blinking. And let's hear Glenn's reaction. You feel it?
Strong.
Last, we'll be demonstrating the knee positions with the electro pads, along with Glenn's reaction. Feel it?
Yeah. It's literally making my muscles contract.
That wasn't even halfway. Overall, I was actually impressed with the intensity and how this device works. Full disclosure, this came to me free of charge. However, all opinions are my own. Comfier is paying me for this review, nor has anyone reviewed or approved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.